All right, guys, this is a quick video to show how to use an NFC card on either an Android or an iPhone. Let's get into it real quick. So with your NFC card, which is programmed right now with the Google review on the iPhone, you're going to go up to the top here, which is right along the stop. That is where the sensor is on the iPhone. And you're going to go ahead and tap that, and you'll see that it pops up. And you'll be able to go straight to that Google review and leave a review, no problem. Same thing, this will work just fine with anything else as well. Moving on directly to the Android, all you have to do is touch the back here, because the sensor is right here in the middle typically. Some are a little more sensitive and you can pretty much put it wherever, but you really want to focus on the middle. And you see that it pops up. Should be able to now choose a browser, or it'll automatically open a browser that's your favorite, and you can go to that review. What I also want to point out is that on your iPhone, after Series 10, I believe, every single one of your iPhones will automatically have NFC enabled, and it cannot be disabled, okay? So you shouldn't have any problems with your iPhone as long as it's past Series 10. Before Series 10, you will have to download an application in order to open up an NFC tag very often, okay? Now for Android, you're gonna be able to turn off or on your NFC at any point, anytime you want. There is no restrictions on that, and there has been NFC on the Androids for many years, so far before the iPhone. So you should, realistically, be able to scan NFCs on any Android that you have. So, but you just need to make sure that it's actually on and that you didn't actually turn it off. And you can find those in your basic settings on your Android. Every Android is a little different, so I won't go through how to turn it on here. You just need to go into your settings. You will find NFC for near field communication.